It's supposed to hurt. Your divorce, your breakup is supposed to make you feel like shit, fellas. Now, before you click off this motherfucking video, I promise I'm gonna tell you how to get over the shit, how to feel better, how to pick up the pieces so you can move forward. But first, I want to address your emotions, fellas. It is simply alright. It is okay for you to feel away. It's okay for you to miss her. It's okay to cry. It's okay to reminisce. It's okay to be in the bed. It's okay to jerk off a little bit. It's okay to watch the fucking movies and do all the shit that you need to get your emotions out. It's fucking terrible for you to keep that shit pent in, and it's fucking horrible for you to pretend as though they are not there. Address those feelings, feel those emotions, but also, fellas, at some point, you got to pick your motherfucking self up. The reason why the divorce hurts so bad, the breakup hurts so bad, the long-term relationship ending is fucking killing you is because your whole identity is tied to this woman. And you need to literally go out there and create a new identity and a better version of yourself outside of the woman. Let's put the women to the side. Let's put the bitches to the side. Let's put the hoes to the side for a second. Fuck them right now. This is us getting better, us developing, and us becoming better as men, because I've been in your shoes, fellas. You literally, once you get these emotions out, once you feel everything you need to feel, when you're ready to flip that switch in your mind and say, you know what, I need to get outside. You literally need to get outside. Get you a new haircut, brush your teeth, get some whitening strip gels, try to make your teeth look better, try to make your appearance look better, get you a skincare routine, switch up your haircut, cut your beard off one day, get the goatee, or grow, get the full beard or whatever it is that fits you. You literally have to start reinventing yourself internally on the inside and externally on the outside. You got to go through a purging process to where you literally are unrecognizable from the man that you used to be. Because the version that you see of yourself in the mirror is tied to that fucking woman. The version of your bedroom is tied to that woman. Your current circumstances and your current setup in your life is tied to that fucking woman. And you got to force yourself to get up out that state and start purging this bitch out of your motherfucking life. Even if y'all got kids together, it's okay to see her. It's okay to speak to her when it's related to the kids and y'all talking about the well-being of the children. Be a gentleman to her. But outside of that, it's fuck her, bro. You got to take this time to literally build yourself up from square one. You got to build yourself all the way up to where this shit don't even fucking phase you no more. Because the goal is not for you to forget about it. It's impossible. The goal is for you not to not love her again. That's impossible, fellas, because this is a woman that you cared about. This is a woman that you really fucked with. This is a woman that you gave your all to. I understand that you've been tied to her. Y'all invested together. Some of you guys thought you was gonna marry this woman. Some of you guys already married the woman and y'all just splitting. Y'all got bills together. Y'all got a house together. Y'all got kids together. All of your whole fucking future was tied to this woman. And now your whole idea of life is fucking shattered. So don't be delusional. Don't be a fucking idiot. Don't be stupid into thinking that you can just not think about her again. But true healing is never not thinking about it again. True healing is when you think about it, is no longer associated with the hurt and pain and the suffering that caused her, that you feel because she left you. You could think about her and be like, damn, it was a good moment. It was a wonderful time in my life. We spent some wonderful, amazing fucking times in my life, but it's time for me to move on. And you move on by literally getting those emotions out. Feel all that shit. Stop trying to block it. Now don't be begging, pleading, chasing, and doing all that soft ass shit. But feel that shit. Be sad. Don't talk to nobody for a week or two. Be stuck in the bed. Get to a close friend and talk about the same shit over and over and over again until you start to feel better. And once you start feeling an ounce better, snap back into fucking reality. Put your clothes on, put you a nice suit, get you your watch, your jewelry, your chains and shit like that, you smell good, your cologne, and literally go out there and just feel good. Feel good. Force yourself to feel good. Force yourself to be in a high vibrational state because you've been low all this fucking time. Feel that sun. I'm not saying go out there looking good for the women, but go out there and look good for yourself. Reconnect with yourself. Figure out what you like to do. Figure out what you want to do with your life. Figure out how you can make more money. Work on your fitness, your fashion, your finances, your mindset, and your appearance. Take accountability for the situation so you can take control back and never be in a fucking spot like this again, fellas. And I promise you, the hurt will stop. The pain will stop. But you have to commit yourself to doing it on a daily basis / a weekly basis. I understand you gonna fall. I understand it's not gonna always be peaches and cream. I understand that everything ain't fucking sweet spice and everything that's right now. I understand that, fellas, but it's only you that can get your motherfucking ass out this state and stay out this position to where you begging, you pleading, you lonely, and you fucked up. It's on you to pick yourself back up so you can move on, heal, and have a quality and fulfilled life with or without that fucking woman or any fucking woman on planet Earth. And if you need some help with this, subscribe to the channel, watch some more of my YouTube. I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, I'm every fucking where. And click in the bio, there'll be a one-to-one coaching application that you can fill out, and we can get on the one-on-one session and I'm gonna help you out. Subscribe to the channel.